Hello, this is a LexisNexis regulatory compliance video providing an overview of our solution. LexisNexis Regulatory Compliance is a straightforward compliance, guidance, and alerting solution for regulatory regimes that are anything but straightforward. With a legacy of more than 200 years working with legal experts and authority, our regulatory compliance solution continues that strong history of helping customers understand risks and turn words into action. As is apparent from any review of current media, there is a lot of activity in the United States legislative and regulatory bodies. As reported by StateNet in 2022, there were more than 94,000 bills introduced, and more than 17,000 of those bills being enacted into new laws. With regulations, there were more than 22,000 new regulations adopted. At this level of activity, it becomes increasingly obvious that do-it-yourself is not in an organization's best interest. We use leading legal and industry experts to provide a practical, plain English interpretation of all the relevant legislative and regulatory materials so you don't have to. Content is updated monthly, so you will always access regulatory obligations that reflect the current legislative framework, saving you significant costs and research time. All content is supported with flexible technology options designed to meet your existing and future needs. LexisNexis Regulatory Compliance makes your compliance journey fast and seamless. So what is the LexisNexis Regulatory Compliance solution? Our solution includes a risk register and regulatory inventory that provides guidance in plain English, alerts to ensure up-to-date information, and prompts to take action, along with tools to help risk and compliance professionals manage, monitor, and demonstrate compliance in the face of constant regulatory changes. Our solution is especially attuned to the 3 lines of defense approach to compliance, where the first line of defense are individuals directly aligned with compliance and risk tasks. The second line of defense are individuals with complementary expertise and support of those in the first line, focusing on risk management. And the third line are the individuals providing the internal audit and independent assurance of the adequacy of governance and risk avoidance. Compliance managers and executives charged with the second line of defense are often without efficient tools. These individuals need to not only support the employees on the first line of defense charged with ensuring the organization's compliance, but also the employees on the third line of defense who audit both internally and externally. The registry, alert, and tools approach of the LexisNexis regulatory compliance modules is unique and promotes success for all 3 lines of defense within the organization. The risk register is the comprehensive list of the obligations an organization should fulfill to ensure compliance with a regulatory regime. This information is available via an online portal, Excel spreadsheet, or APIs that integrate the registry content with an existing governance regulatory compliance system. The alerts are in 3 formats: FYI alerts, news alerts, and action required alerts. Each alert correlates to the respective obligations within the topical compliance module and are identified by a uniform reference number within the registry. FYI alerts are notices of prospective changes to an obligation and share pending legislative or regulatory actions that may result in a change to an obligation. News alerts document the updates that have been made to an obligation, and action required alerts are sent when there are actual changes to an obligation that require an organization's response to that change. The tools are attached to an obligation or sub-obligation record and may be a file or link to an online resource. These resources help the organization in meeting the obligation to which it is affiliated. Some examples of tools include checklists, policy templates, precedents, or process flowcharts. This has been a quick overview of the LexisNexis regulatory compliance solution and our approach to help organizations stay ahead of the regulatory game, understand the risks, and turn words into actions that streamline the monitoring and managing of your work to ensure compliance and avoid risk to your organization. For more information, please visit our website, www.lexisnexis.com/en-us/products/regulatory-compliance.page. Thank you for your attention to this video, and we trust it has been informative, helping you take full advantage of the features of the LexisNexis regulatory compliance solution for the United States.